Good day. This is Peter Kniff from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. markets for the week ending November 20th. It was a mixed week for U.S. stock averages as the impact of good retail earnings and lower bond yields was offset by rising COVID-19 fears as cold weather set in. The Dow Jones fell 1.4% on the week, while the S&P 500 gained 0.3%. And the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite climbed 1.2% to close at a record 16,057.44. It wasn't inflation fears that drove government bond prices higher this week, but rather the fear of COVID-19 lockdowns. Austria reinstated lockdown measures to slow the spread of COVID as winter approaches, sending investors into the safety of U.S. bonds. For the week, the 2-year note fell 1.9 basis points, the 10-year yield slipped 4.8 basis points, and the 30-year bond was lower by 4.9 basis points. The ICE dollar index climbed 0.8% to finish the week around its highest level since July 2020 on a flight to safety trade. Gold prices, pressured by the rising U.S. dollar, had their lowest finish in more than a week. The precious metal lost 0.9% for the week to close at $1,851.60 an ounce. Oil prices closed at their lowest level in about 7 weeks, down for a fourth straight week to post the longest streak of declines in almost 20 months. Continued discussions of oil reserve releases, coupled with lockdown measures in Austria, put pressure on crude. WTI settled at its lowest level since October 1 and fell 4.7% on the week. Brent slid 4% in the 5 trading sessions. Thanks for listening. Thanks for doing business with Castlestone. Stay well, and we'll talk to you soon.